Wagwan, everybody. I am so excited. I didn't tell y'all about this, but I've been designing a little magazine cookbook. See it here? It reached me now waste some more time because I want to see it so bad, but I just wanted to share my little experience and that update and something. We don't know. So let's see, y'all. This is the front or the back or whichever. I mean, I know, but oh my god. Look at y'all, order your copies on Amazon. I'm gonna drop the link below on a look. Look at the back. This is the cover. What y'all think? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Y'all, when you open it, see that right there? Jamaica is me. It contains kitchen tips, recipes, the Jamaican language. So I have a whole dictionary. Different stuff. So guys, again, see it there. Look at order it on Amazon, run it up. It's only $13. Y'all see? It's my first book to be published. Many, many, many more to come, guys. And just show me the support. See the book, Jamaican Language Guide. Here we have the table of contents. We have poetry here because I put a few poems in there, island poetry. Here you have the first page featuring a poetry of your girl. It's called The Island Woman. I featured a few people. This is a young lady. She has a wonderful magazine. It's a teen magazine. You will see her information and all her credentials to check them out online. This is also another successful young black